What are the missing terms in each arithmetic sequence below? So it is already given that each is an arithmetic sequence. So we need to find the common difference in each sequence so that we can find the next terms or the missing terms. Let's look at the pattern here. This is plus 8. The common difference is 8. That is 2 plus 8 is 10, and then 10 plus 8 is 18. So we do the same thing to get the next term. 18 plus 8 is 26. Then 26 plus 8 is 34. And 34 plus 8 is 42. For the next one, we have 7 followed by 1. That means to say that the common difference is negative 6. That is, this is subtraction by 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 minus 6 is negative 5. Negative 5 minus 6 is negative 11. Negative 11 minus 6 equals negative 17. And negative 17 minus 6 is negative 23. For number 3, 4, then 13. This means we are adding 9. So 4 plus 9 is 13. Plus 9 is 22. Plus 9 is 31. And then plus 9 is 40. For number 4, we have a blank here, but let's look at two consecutive terms. If you have negative 4, okay, and subtract 8, the answer will be negative 12. So therefore, we subtract 8. 12 minus 8 is 4. Then 4 minus 8 is negative 4. Minus 8, negative 12. Minus 8, finally, that's negative 20. For number 5, 9, then 16. This means addition of 7. 9 plus 7, 16, plus 7, 23. So going to the right, it's plus 7. So to find the term at the left, we subtract 7. Let's do the opposite. So 9 minus 7 is 2. And then 2 minus 7 is negative 5. Then you can recheck if you want. So going to the right, it's plus 7. Negative 5 plus 7 is positive 2. Plus 7, 9, and so on. Now I want you to try number 6 and number 7. Please write your answer in the comment section.